everybody! Thanks for joining. This is the video about the homework for the week of January 21st. So of course, every single day after you read with a grown-up, make sure you have a grown-up sign. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So this week's spelling words or word words are done here. Make sure you add it onto the list of word words that you have at home as well. The first word is over. So for example, would you like to come over to my house? O-V-E-R, over. The second word is the word just. We are just about to get started. J-U-S-T, just. The third word is the word to. For example, I have 2 guinea pigs. T-W-O, 2. The fourth word is the word when. Do you know when we are going to go? When, W-H-E-N, when. The fifth word is word after. We have lunch after recess. A-F-T-E-R, after. This week's skill of the week is for you to know your zip code. So this is the zip code for the school. It is a 5-digit number that people need to when they want to send you mail. So my zip code is, the one for school is 11355. You might have a different number than this, and that's okay. Oh, and of course, make sure that you write your name and mailbox number on top. On the back of the cover sheet where we list the homework, again, there are different ways that you can practice the spelling words at home. And for this week's handwriting practice, you're practicing the numbers 19 and 20. So make sure the 9 faces the correct way. Make sure the letters are sized correctly. I still see some learners that have the tall letters when it shouldn't be tall letters and they should be short letters. So make sure you check that as well. And of course, the number 20. Make sure your Y is a lowercase y, not an uppercase y. This week's poem is London Bridge. So some of you know this as a song. So it goes like this, London Bridge. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Build it up with iron bars, iron bars, iron bars. Build it up with iron bars, my fair lady. Iron bars will bend and break, bend and break, bend and break. Iron bars will bend and break, my fair lady. So draw what you imagine, and maybe you know the song, and you can sing along to it. So this week's math homework is bus stop story. So a lot of the first grade teachers and I have noticed that we still have trouble with the bus stop story, which is why we're practicing it. So I'm giving an example here. But first, let me tell you what it is for this week. So it's 14 people on the bus. So show what that looks like first, and then afterwards, 4 people get on the bus. Show that what that looks like here. And then over here, first there's 15 people on the bus. Draw it over here. And then 6 people get off the bus. So here's an example. 13 people on the bus. So on a math rack, you can only fit 10. There's 5 red and 5 white. So if there's 10 on top, that means there's 3 on the bottom. This is what it looked like first. 13 people. After, 2 people get on. So you have the 10 on top, 3 from the 13, and then 2 more. So altogether that is 15. So make sure you do the same thing on the bottom. But keep in mind, this is not the question. This is just an example. So learners, if you have any questions about the homework, feel free to let me know. And thank you so much for joining me.